the turn up. Rourkela Stadium, there was a lot of debate. It's the largest one, it's the biggest one, and you will be asking me this question. Okay, I know that you are ready for that, but I can simply tell you that 20,000 plus seats, which organizers made it 21,800 now, you don't have the seaters capacity in anywhere in the world. Full stop. Okay? And let's appreciate that. This is a fantastic, smart infrastructure which provides our commercial partners, which provide a fantastic platform for our broadcasters, and most importantly, which provide the best ever facilities for our athletes. Okay. I think that is more important. Okay. Accessibility to the venue, accessibility to the field of play. Okay. I am, beside this job, a new role as FIH, I am also an expert on the Olympic management. I have not seen such infrastructure, such kind of facility for our top athletes. And I really would like to express my sincere congratulations to Odisha government for building up this fantastic stadium after Bhubaneswar.